Hello viewers of my channel. Today in the video I will show you how to make a stretch ceiling with LED light around the perimeter. This light is sufficient as the main illumination. The device for measuring the illumination lies on the floor of the bathroom. Is the maximum illumination value. To install such a ceiling, it is necessary to install two stretch ceilings. The first canvas is located higher and protects from dust and debris that may fall from the main ceiling. Install a profile for the first stretch ceiling. The walls in the room are finished with porcelain stoneware. Drilling it is very labor intensive. We decided to glue the profile to the wall with glue. The next day, when the glue has dried, we stretch the canvas of the first stretch ceiling. In this video, I teach a subscriber of my channel. He's the one in the green t-shirt. We proceed to install the profile for the lower stretch ceiling. This profile differs in its shape, and thanks to this, an even gap remains between the wall and the ceiling. Visually, it looks stylish. We will call this profile shadow profile. In addition to this profile, you need to screw an aluminum Y profile. This profile will serve as a heatsink for the LED strip and create a slope for the LED strip. The profile angle must be sawn off at 45 degrees and then glued. We process the profile corner with sandpaper so that there are no cold parts. We process the surface of the profile with a degreaser and apply glue. The shadow profile will also be glued to the wall. We press the profile to the wall at the same distance from the first ceiling. We additionally fix the profile with adhesive tape to the wall while the glue dries, then the adhesive tape must be removed. Profile joints are glued to each other. The next day, we fasten an aluminum profile to the shadow profile. We process the surface of the profile with a degreaser. Glue the lead strip around the perimeter and connect the power. We check if everything works, then we proceed to the stretching of the canvas of the lower ceiling. The lower canvas is translucent, which allows you to get sufficient illumination in the room. I don't do the main work. I help a subscriber of my channel. This is an unusual and beautiful type of stretch ceiling lighting. Hope you enjoyed this video. Subscribe to the channel so as not to miss new videos. Bye everyone, until we meet again.